Hello everyone, this is your Thursday maths lesson. So I'm just going to share my screen and then I'll be able to tell you your learning objective. Okay, the learning objective today is, can I use a tens frame to add and subtract numbers to 20? But before we do that, let's recap something. Have a little look. It says, let's get our brains working. You have got a pictorial representation of the numbers and you've got the numbers written below. And in the middle, there is a box. In that box, you are going to write a symbol. It could be the symbol that means greater than, less than, or equal to. Have a little look and have a think which symbol goes in that box. You can pause the video if you need to. I'm going to answer the question now. So 6 and 3. I know that 6 is a bigger number than 3, so I'm going to say 6 is greater than 3. And I'm going to write the symbol here. 6 is greater than 3. Lovely. Now you can post a photo of that on Tapestry with your other learning if you want to. Okay, here is our tens frame. First, we had 5 leaves. First 5 leaves fell. And we know that there are 5 because we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first, 5 leaves fell. Then 2 more fell. I need to show that on my tens frame. So I'm going to add another 2 leaves onto my tens frame. So first 5 leaves fell, then 2 more fell. Now there are blank leaves on the ground. To find out the answer to that question, I'll need to count how many leaves are on the tens frame. Can you count them too? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now there are 7 leaves on the ground. Here we've got a number sentence and I'm going to fill it in. So first, 5 leaves fell. Next, or then, 2 more leaves fell. So I'm going to add the 2 onto the tens frame. And I'm also going to write the 2 in my number sentence. Oh, that's a very big wonky number 2, isn't it? Goodness me. So first 5 leaves fell, then another 2 leaves fell. How many fell altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to write the number 7 at the end of my number sentence. And now that number sentence says 5 add 2 equals 7. Fantastic. Okay, I've got some questions now. I'd like you to pause the video and use your tens frame to answer these questions. Then I'd like to see them on Tapestry, please. Okay. The other part of our learning objective today was to subtract using a tens frame. So here we have got some leaves. Let's have a look and see how many we have. Now I know I do not need to count how many leaves there are in the top tens frame because I know that a full tens frame is 10. So I'm going to put 10 in my head and I'm going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 leaves. So first there were 14 leaves. Oh look, we're going to be taking away 6 of them. And to do that today, we're going to cross them out. And that will help us remember which ones we've already counted. So we have 14 altogether, and I'm going to cross 6 of them out. I'm going to do this as neatly as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. I've crossed out 6 of the leaves. Now to find the answer, I need to count how many are left on the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that, Hopper class, is our answer. There we go. 14 take away 6 equals 8. Fantastic. Give yourselves a sparkle. Miss Walker has given us a tricky question. I wonder who can read this number sentence to the screen. That's right. 18 take away 9 equals. We need to find the answer. So have a think. What is the first thing we need to do? That's right. We need to use our tens frame. So the first number that we start with is 18. So we're going to put 18 counters, or you can draw them, onto our tens frame. So I've done 2. Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, nearly there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. We have 18. Right, now I need to take away 9. Now remember, our learning objective wants us to use the crossing out method. So we're going to cross out 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lovely. The last part that we have to do is we have to find out what is left. So we're going to count them. So you're going to count all of the ones that do not have a cross through them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18 take away 9 equals 9. 18 take away 9 equals 9. Oh, there we go. I didn't even need to write it on that other slide. There we go. Okay, you've got some subtraction questions now. Pause the video and use the crossing out method to answer the questions. Then I'd like to see those questions on Tapestry as well. If you enjoyed that and you'd like an extra challenge, here is a picture. There are some number sentences to go with the picture, but the picture isn't finished. Can you draw the dots and colour them to complete the fact families? Now remember, this is an extra challenge. If you do this, I would love to see it on Tapestry with your maths from today. I'll look forward to seeing your work, Hopper class. Take care. Bye-bye.